She's bold. She's powerful. She's creative. Although she felt fear, she wanted more out of life, so she did it anyway.
All of you out there who are 50 and up, I feel like we all have a gift. We all have a passion. And like I just recently did this video. I interviewed a young lady, and she had she's been retired, but I wanted to talk to her about after retirement what. That's the name of the video. And so when I got to know her better, I found out she was an interior designer. And so I was like, what can I talk to her about online or in a feature? And so I was inspired to start looking up the question, what is your passion? Everybody talks about, well, what is your passion? That's like a theme. Everybody wants to know what their passion is, what they're inspired to do after 50 or even before 50. And so I looked up Mel Robbins. I found this Mel Robbins video. I love Mel Robbins. And Mel Robbins said, don't follow your passion. And I was like, okay, I gotta look at this video, because you know that question makes you stop and wonder, what is she talking about? Don't follow your passion. So when I got it to look at in the video, she says, follow what energizes you. So what energizes you? Like, what energizes you? It might be something from your childhood. It might be something from what you do currently at work now, where you might work for a company, but you want to do it for yourself. You know, you want to grow your own followers and grow your own online business. So the 50 plus creators, I think it's a big economy for so many people out here in the world to find what energizes them and share with the world, right? So I found what energizes me. It's a lot that energizes me. Doing hair energizes me. And what else? Making neck designs energizes me. Creating video, but first creating videos never energized me. But after working on creating videos for like 10 years, literally, I've been working on video for at least 10 years. And when I first started working on videos, I was working on a project, a friend of mine and we were working on a project where we were teaching non-African American parents about their African American kids' hair, like how to style it, learning the texture. And we created all this content. You know, we were going to sell it in a program, and it just kind of didn't go anywhere, right? So I was doing all the hair on the video, and I didn't want to really be talking a lot on the video. So we did mostly like our talking outside of the videos. Like I would watch the video and then do the voiceover behind. That was better for me because I hated the camera. And back in 2019, when I first started the YouTube channel, I still hated the camera. But I said, you know what? If I don't start it, and I was telling Amanda, I've always started stuff. I've started a blog called Dress Chic, Keep It Cheap. You know, because I love to thrift and consignment shopping. I stopped doing that. Then I became a style coach, a certified style coach at the Style Coaching Institute out of London. It's not like I stopped doing it. I can still do it. In fact, I share those kind of lessons online on my platform now. But I didn't do it a whole bunch, like closet declutterings. I've done a few, but then, so that energizes me. So then in 2019, when I went gray, I was still talking to hairstylists in 2019 at the end of the year when I started my channel, but they weren't energizing me anymore. Talking to hairstylists weren't energizing me, especially after I created the very first video talking to women who had been on the gray hair journey before me, and that video now has like 45,000 views. So something said that this is what energizes me. So now I'm at a space where my channel is being monetized. I'm actually earning funds from YouTube. like real checks from YouTube. So, and it's more than $100. But hey, even when it was less than $100, I was still excited and just happy about living my dream, earning money in an online space. And my goal is to live the triple L's, luxury laptop lifestyle. So yeah, I'm in a space where now I feel like I want to teach other women, 50 plus content creators. It's never, and I feel like the tagline is never too late to create. So it's never too late to create. So what are you going to create? What energizes you? And what are you going to create to share your unique opportunity with the world?
She did that.